What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines with another Filipino snack taste test. Today we're going to do cheesy Filipino snacks. Philippines isn't really known for cheese, but they do have a lot of cheesy snacks, usually with a unique sweet taste that I'm not used to as an American. So today we're going to give 5 different cheesy snacks a try and see what I think. Let's start with cheesy. Seems apt. They're kind of like Cheetos, they look like. They're by Leslie brand. Let's get in there, give it a smell. It smells exactly like Cheetos. Very cheesy. Not much else you can say. It smells like the cheese you might put on popcorn or something at the movies. Let's see if you can see a couple of very classic Cheeto shapes. Honestly, these taste almost exactly like Cheetos. In America, there's a crunchy and a puffy version of Cheetos. These are like the crunchy ones, of course. It's really nice, not sweet at all that I can taste. Nice and salty. It does taste very cheesy. This is really nice. For some reason, it has a ton of vitamins. I mean, I count at least 10 vitamins that has 20 to 30% of your vitamins for the day. I don't know why this is so healthy, but I guess if you're gonna eat a snack, they should put some vitamins in there. It's really good. I'm gonna have a giant one here. Yeah. It tastes a lot like cheddar. Very crunchy. And I bought this, maybe a month or so ago, so they're still super fresh, which is nice. This is great. This may be my favorite cheesy snack I've had since I've moved here. Leslie Cheesy, I'm gonna give an 8.5. Pretty high score for me. I really like it. If I wasn't on a diet right now, I would eat that whole bag. They're delicious. So we're off to a good start. Let's go with our next one. Let's try Renby. Renby, I guess that's how you pronounce it. This is classic. I've seen this everywhere. They have a few flavors, I think. This is just their classic cheese sticks. Use a knife to get in here real quick. Give it a smell. Much less cheesy smell. Almost bland, like smells like paper or flour or something. And these look like shoestring fries. Whatever process they use doesn't seem to be quite as random as the Cheetos. Like very light, dissolves almost immediately in your mouth. Yeah, almost exactly like popcorn. I wonder, they're made with wheat, tapioca starch, and then like 1,000 preservatives and flavorings and stuff. Not really any vitamins in this. It's okay. You get a lot. I mean, this whole bag is full. And this was like maybe 7 pesos for this bag. So I can see why they're popular. You get a lot for your money. If you like popcorn, like cheesy popcorn, I would say this is a really good one. Like I said, it's also really full for how big it is. And only about 120 calories in this whole bag. I probably wouldn't buy this again. I might try other flavors just in case they're a little better. The texture is good. The popcorn taste is okay. I'll say this is like a 6.5, maybe a 6.7. Overall good, but I like the Leslie cheesy ones much better. Okay, none of these have been sweet. I guess I'm eating my words on that. I guess all the Filipino sweet cheesy snacks aren't necessarily sweet. So let's try one that was recommended by a viewer. Let's try Boy Bawang chili cheese flavor. I got a couple of comments, people saying I should try the cheese flavor of the Boy Bawang. I thought there would be other cheese flavors. I've only found the chili cheese, which is fine. I love chili. Kind of smells classic Boy Bawang, kind of like roasted popcorn, which it's puffed corn, which makes sense. I'm not getting much off of it. It kind of smells like microwave popcorn that you burnt a little bit, maybe. The kernels look a little dark, very well covered in seasoning though. It's kind of cheese. I'm gonna get a few more. Maybe I'll get a better hit of the cheese. I'm not getting any chili. I mean, they're good. It's a good snack. That's I'm okay. I'm getting a little bit. I do see natural blue cheese, cheddar cheese, cheese powder, annatto extract. Okay, I'm getting a little natural. It says natural chili flavor. I'm getting a tiny bit of spice after I eat a few of them. This is good. I mean, I like the flavor. I would say this tastes kind of like a weak, if you've had Fritos in America, like a chili cheese corn chip. Those are much more flavorful and salty. These are good. Very like crunchy, very filling. They have a nice toasted flavor. I definitely like them better than the Renby. So these I would call maybe a 7.3. Very solid. I'll probably get these again. I think the person who recommended these said they tasted like blue cheese. They don't taste that much like blue cheese to me right now. I'll get a few more. See if I can get the blue cheese in there. I mean, they're good. They're really delicious. Kind of weakly spiced, maybe a 1 out of 10 spice. They are very cheesy, which I like. They're nice. Not sweet either. Maybe a tiny hint of sugar, but maybe I'm totally wrong. Maybe I picked the 5 things that aren't sweet in the whole Philippines. So let's keep going. Okay, here's another one that was suggested. Cheese-ums. I think I did another cheese ring that looked just like this, but this is a different brand. Let's get in here. Give it a smell. Oh, they smell like kind of like chemicals, kind of like pool water, kind of. Yeah, definitely an odd chemical flavor or scent. Let's get in here. They look just like nice cheese rings, very well coated. I mean, very orange. Let's give it a shot. That's a weird texture. Huh. Surprising. These are definitely sweet. Now that I've gotten more used to Filipino snacks, it's like classic cheesy, sweet Filipino. It says made with corn and rice, which I can see maybe the rice and corn is why it's so hard. Usually like these cheesy snacks like Cheetos or the Leslie's Cheesies kind of are crunchy but not hard. These are hard like you're eating like stale bread or something. It's good. I mean, maybe it's just because I've been on a diet, but I would eat this whole bag too. Definitely, I can taste the cheddar cheese. They are pretty cheesy. They're sweet for sure. I don't know if I would buy these again necessarily. I think the other cheese rings I had, the Regent brand cheese rings that has a little like anime girl on the front, I think those are better and the texture is a little better. These are like thick, dense. Like they're probably as thick as your finger. If you like a nice chewy, crunchy chip, but this one again, it's only 1/3 full. So you buy this giant bag and only get a few in here. So, what would I rate this? I think I like it more than the Renby, but not as much as the Boy Bawang. So we'll go with a 6 on this. 6.6 out of 10. Good. I don't think I would get it again, but I like it. It's solid. This is the first sweet one. So far so good. Still the Leslie cheesy brand is in the lead. We got one more. Next, let's try Crisscross. Classic Filipino snack brand. These are the creamy cheese. I think the last one I did of these was the steak and pepper, and those were amazing. Like I would eat a huge bag of those for sure. Let's leave the cheesy ones stack up. Open them up. Oh, very strong cheese smell. Yeah, very cheddar cheese flavored. Like my mouth is watering just smelling it. Very strong, smells good. I mean the same color as the bag, like very orange flavor. Let's try to get a few in there, get a nice bite. Very crisscross. Very soft. Let's get one more. I'm not getting a lot of cheese flavor, to be honest. Mildly sweet. They dissolve almost immediately. They're good. I can see why they call it creamy cheese, maybe. Like it's very mildly cheddar flavored, but then like maybe sour cream. It says it has buttermilk in it. So it's kind of like sour cream and cheddar. Maybe this is their version of Ruffles. Good. I mean, for 5 pesos, I can't really complain about this bag. Good. I would eat these again for sure. I might even buy them again. I like the steak and pepper brand or the flavor that they make more. So I would say for cheesy crisscross, solid 7-0. So I think this one comes in second place, I believe. But first place is definitely the cheesy Leslie. These taste just like Cheetos, very classic. I wish this came in like a spicy. In fact, I think this is the brand where they had ghost pepper flavor. It wasn't really ghost pepper, it was just like jalapeno or something in there because it wasn't that spicy. But these definitely win today. Need some more. Yeah, those are definitely the best, for sure. Classic American taste, just like Cheetos, but a lot cheaper. The Leslie cheesy wins the Filipino cheese snack taste test. So if you like cheesy snacks, guys, give these a shot. I see them all over the place, so I know they're popular. I believe this bag was maybe 20 pesos, something like that. So not crazy expensive, and you know, you get quite a few servings and tons of vitamins. All your B vitamins, A, C, potassium, iron, folic, everything is in here. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I'm gonna do more snack taste tests. I'm gonna try to release one a week. I'm also doing the cooking videos, so maybe one cooking video, one snack test, and one travel video a week. We'll see how things go, what you guys respond to, what gets the most views. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.